Hello fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing an easy breakfast recipe, egg sauce, rice and plantain. To make this, you'll be needing these simple ingredients: raw eggs, fresh tomatoes, peppers, onions, salt and seasonings, plantains, smoked fish or any protein of your choice, and of course your rice. Let's begin. Pour enough oil into the cooking pot, allow to heat. Then add the chopped plantains to the hot oil and fry until they are golden brown on both sides. Then remove them from the pot. Next, add in your chopped onions, stir it up and allow to simmer for a while. Add your roughly chopped tomatoes and peppers, stir for a bit, then cover. Stir occasionally so it doesn't burn. Add salt and seasoning of your choice to taste. Stir that up to combine. Then add your already seasoned eggs to the mixture. Give it a little stir, then cover. Two minutes later, open and stir again. Look at that. Look at what we have now. At this point, you would want to test and adjust with salt or seasoning if needed. Then add any protein of your choice. I added smoked fish. Give that a quick stir and your egg sauce is ready. At this point, the aroma in my kitchen was nose blinding. Make sure you try this recipe because it is super easy to make, it is delicious and tasty. You can pair it with any food of your choice. I paired mine with white rice and fried plantains. Would you be trying this recipe? Comment below and tell me where you're watching from so I can send you a hug in my next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.